Well, good morning, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. Buddy and I went out for a little evening session last night and caught some really good train. One that stands out is this BNSF 7619. The lead engine went down. It's an ES44DC. It's going from San Bernardino to Memphis, Tennessee. The code number is SBD AUG 8-10. Yeah, he made a call in and his lead engine went down. They went through a bunch of diagnostics, things like that, with mechanics on the radio. Decided they couldn't fix it pretty quick. They sent a backup engine out from San Bernardino to hook up and take it. So I documented a little bit of it. Please enjoy it and let me know what you think. Take care and catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Well, good evening, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. This train's on main track number 1, eastbound, right around milepost 75. They lost their leader. This lead engine went down. They've been talking to mechanics. They can't get it fixed. So they're sending a new unit out of San Bernardino. And I'll restart when it gets here. See what's going on. Just want to let you guys know what's going on here. All right, stay tuned. Love you. We'll catch you on the next one.
Are we on 46 right now?
Hey, rail fans, Cajon Pass. Just had a truck pull up here. Might be a mechanic. Just keeping you up to date. All right, we'll check back in when the engine gets here. Take care.
7619 east, all stop. No movement. Bring them.
Redhead, you guys got room for one, correct? Over.
Yes, I do. Barely.
Alright, Redhead, fingers crossed, because it's my only route for number 4. Here we go.
Oh, no, we got enough. Definitely.
All right, the rescue's here. You go up and switch, back up and connect up to the front of this train. It died. We also have another train passing here, I believe, shortly.
Alright, Redhead, I'll look for you right after 1, or after number 4, over.
So we go up there and switch, and they're going to shove back to here.
Send it to 31, please.
New crew member just showed up.
Alright, helper, what's the first lead, what's number 1 engine there? Track 4 advance.
Yeah, this guy's first unit went down about 3 hours ago, maybe 2.5 hours ago. They had mechanics on the phone. Tried to reboot it. I talked to another mechanic a couple weeks ago in person. He told me once they start glitching like that, they'll just keep glitching. Get to work on my night photography. These guys are waiting. There's the KCS in this consist. Third back. I see a faint light heading this way. Help has arrived. flashlight on the front, signaling. One on both sides.
Up to the clear, Mike. I'm in the clear. Yeah, I'm in the clear. Come on, Mike. Yeah, come on down.
Contact. Nice of them.
What kind of set you got on it? 8,000. 15, okay. Gonna pull down right now.
I think they just took him up and take off. It doesn't work that way.
Top it up right there.
Turn it back on here for a second, a little closer. Looking through a fence, but
Have one head end over.
it's all good.
Go ahead, G. Let us know when you get ready. Yeah, still detraining. Okay. Consider Josh. I know. No, off doing other things. Okay, copy that.
Hey, good morning, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well. Almost weekend time. Buddy and I went out yesterday and caught some really good trains in a late afternoon session. I'm sure you're going to love them. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. If you want to go a little further, you can help us out on Patreon, where we have YouTube memberships, Super Chat, and Super Thanks. All right, we love your support. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.